Hello and welcome to Buddhist Door Global's weekly news highlight. I'm Dr. Justin Whitaker, Senior Correspondent for BDG. This week we highlight the news that an installation of a Shakyamuni Buddha statue on a sacred Tuvan mountain has begun. We'll look back at a recent BDG news video about Buddhism in Russia and remind you that we are committed to bringing you Buddhist news and features from around the globe. But first, the news. The long-awaited installation of a golden Shakyamuni Buddha statue on the slopes of the sacred mountain Doge in Tuva began in July, according to the chairman of the Tuvan government. The project has been realized by the residents of the Buddhist Republic under the leadership of Buyan Bashki, president of the foundation behind the construction of the statue and chairman of the administration of the Association of Buddhists in Tuva. This high mission of constructing an image of the Buddha became one of the main goals of Buyan Bashki's life, overcoming trials and working on his own inner world, the chairman of the Tuvan government stated in his social media message. To make such a great statue and bring it to the top of the historical mountain is a symbol of the revival of the Buddhist faith and the spiritual growth of the people of Tuva. Doge Mountain, from the Tuvan word to lie, is the main natural attraction of the Tuvan city Kyzyl. Located close to the city, on the right bank of the Yenisei River, the mountain rises more than 1,000 meters, and the peak offers magnificent views of Kyzyl and the surroundings. The beautiful landscapes of the mountain are combined with historical traces, petroglyphs left by the Scythians, ancient tribes of nomadic warriors who flourished between 900 BC and 200 BC in what is now southern Siberia. Doge is a symbol of the Buddhist revival in Tuva, with the mantra of compassion, Om Mani Padme Hum, inscribed over an area of 120 meters by 20 meters into the slopes of the southwestern ridge using white painted stones. The mantra was laid out in 2006 with the help of the most senior Buddhist monastic in the Tuvan Republic, the 5th Khambe Lama, Jampa Lode, the Tibetan monastery of Gyudmed, and the Enaril Foundation. Jampa Lode proposed the idea of erecting a Buddha statue on the top of the Doge Mountain in 2008. Construction of the statue began in 2011, funded by the residents of Tuva. According to the project design, the Buddha will be seated in a posture of meditation upon a throne in the form of a lotus flower set on a pedestal. Initially, the height of the statue was proposed to be about 40 meters, then 21 meters, but in the end, the designers stopped at a height of 9 meters. The pedestal is divided into two parts, including an 11 by 8 meter inner chamber. The plan is to have a temple on one side and 100 tons of grain placed on the other side, which, according to Tuvan Buddhist belief, symbolizes wealth. The temple is planned as a chapel where pilgrims can pray and perform rituals. The erection of the golden statue of Shakyamuni atop Doge is of great religious significance for Tuvans. The Buddha gazing toward Kyzyl is expected to bring positive energy, peace, prosperity, and good luck to all residents of the Republic. The auspicious location also means that the Buddha statue will be visible from across the city and the outskirts of Kyzyl. Buddhist Door Global is committed to bringing you news and features from around the world, and with our correspondent Ludmila Klasanova dedicated to the history and contemporary rise and spread of Buddhism in Russia, we hope to be your source for the latest news and coverage of Buddhism in the region. Check out a video we created in February of this year offering an overview of Buddhism in Russia today, as well as some of the history of Buddhism's arrival and spread there. Be sure to check out the article linked below and the video covering Buddhism in Russia, and follow Buddhist Door Global for updates on this and related news. Let us know what you think about Buddhism in Russia in the comments below. And as always, be sure to check out our website, buddhistdoor.net, for more on this story, as well as other news and features about Buddhism around the world.